Yo, what is going on, guys? Paul James here. Welcome back to another video today. So today I'm kind of doing just a little story time video here because last night I had a bad accident happen and it could have been a lot worse, but I just kind of wanted to share with you guys what happened. It was pretty scary. And then also I wanted to get your opinion on something here when we get into the video on what you think I should do. So what ended up happening was I took the Mercedes-Benz out last night to go and get some food, and while I was on my way back home I was basically driving and I was going about 50-ish miles per hour, and what ended up happening was we live in an area where there's just tons and tons of wildlife, and every once in a while these deer, they just come flying out. And the sad part is that it was really close to our house, so I actually have pictures. Maybe I'll throw them up on the video. I think these are the actual deer that were actually in our yard, basically. But yeah, so the day before, I almost hit these deer because they run out in the middle of the road at night and they just come flying out. And my entire life, I've pretty much been lucky enough to swerve out of the way of deer running in the road and not hit them. But last night, it just was not as fortunate for me and for the deer, unfortunately. So basically, they came running out into the road. I think there was two of them. There's two or three of them. And they came running out into the road, and I slammed on the brakes. I was in the Mercedes-Benz, and I slid right through them. And I ended up clipping one of them, flew over the car. It was really insane, really scary. Thankfully, I'm okay. The deer obviously is not okay, so that's sad. I'm a big animal person. I love animals, so that's really more than anything, I'm just really sad about that. I'd never hit a deer before, and I just felt really bad. I'm okay, but the car is not. I'll walk you through the car. Oh, it was so like such a panicky moment because like I saw them coming and they just ran out and I slammed on the brakes, but I just like slid right through them, and I just remember like it just flying like over the car, and man, it was just so scary and sad because like I don't even hunt because I love animals, so I just like feel so bad, and just like I just wish it could have been avoided. I had these deer whistle things on the bottom of the car as well. You can kind of see the marks of where they were, but those must have flew off when the deer hit it. There's like all these like remnants of hair from it. I feel pretty lucky that the only damage that looks like was done is this plastic grill. Like I think it's probably not even worth filing an insurance claim over because they charged me a $500 deductible, and I checked on eBay and I can get this grill for like $250. So I really don't think there's any other damage done other than that. It must be really well built because like you can kind of see the marks where it slid, and there's just, you know, nothing, no dents, no scratches. I mean, given the car is dirty, but still, I mean, just you really can't even tell other than that the cracked plastic here. So I think that's the route I'm gonna have to go. I'm glad I wasn't driving the i8. I would have rather been driving this car though. But I mean, what are you gonna do? So it's the first time this has ever happened to me. You'd think that it probably would have happened a lot more because I do live out in Wisconsin, and I mean, this is just, it's pretty common out here. They just are, this time of year, they run out and at nighttime, and normally when they run out in the road, they just stop dead in their tracks, and they look right like the deer in headlights. So that's where that saying comes from, because they just stop and they just look at you. So man, it's just it's really sad. I think the car could have been a lot worse. I think it's gonna be not that bad to fix, but definitely did some damage. So yeah, anyways, that is the damage that's been done. Thankfully I'm okay, so that's good. We'll get the car fixed, you know, it's just a car. But anyways, I appreciate you watching this video, and you know, we're coming up to the new year here on the channel, and I'm gonna start posting a lot more than I've been posting in the past, you know, the past several months. You guys know I've been working on my Dialhawk call tracking software, so that took up a real lot of my time, and now I've got some time freed up. I'm gonna focus on building the channel again and uploading more videos. I'll probably be uploading 3 times a week mostly. I'm curious what you guys want to see more of on this channel. So if you could do me a favor and drop a comment below on this video and let me know what content of mine you like, or what you'd like to see more of, or if there's any new things that you'd like me to talk about on the channel, because I make videos for you guys, so I want to know what you want to see on this channel, because it's very much about you, as it is, you know, you're watching me, but really the videos are about you, and it's about delivering content for you guys. So I'd appreciate if you leave a comment and smash a like on this video, and if you're new here and you somehow stumbled across this video, drop below and subscribe and tick the bell notification icon, because normally we're not talking about sad stuff like this. Normally we're talking about making money and entrepreneurship and personal finance type things. So if you enjoy stuff like that, or you're interested in learning more, you should definitely consider subscribing. But anyways, guys, I appreciate you. Thank you for watching. I will see you in another video, and look out for more uploads. I promise we're going to be doing a lot more here on the channel. Alright, until next time, I am Paul James. Peace out.